Hello everyone! Today on our channel we are exploring a very useful productivity tool called Smart Hub, which works on every Infinix phone. This tool acts as a central hub where you can temporarily store images, text or files by simply dragging them into that hub, making it incredibly easy to move content between different applications. It's perfect for the students, multitaskers and researchers. So let's learn how to use it. First, you will need to enable this feature, and to enable it, you need to open the settings on your Infinix phone by tapping on the settings icon. In settings, you need to find the option called special function and tap on it. And here find the Smart Hub and select it. Now enable the option by tapping on the switch. If the switch is ticked on, basically green, it has green color on it, it means that the feature is enabled. And once you enable it, you will be able also to learn the gesture. You can tap on gesture tutorial to learn how to use this feature. And it's quite simple. You simply press and hold on the item you want to store, for example, photo, and then drag it to this pop-up right here. Once you drag it in and drop it, it will stay in this hub. And then you can go to some different application. And let's say you want to copy the photo there. Let's say you want to move it into WhatsApp or something like that. You can open the hub, grab it and drop it like this. And once you're done with the hub, you can remove it, clear it by pressing and holding the hub and dropping it right here on the bin icon to remove it. And let me show you how it works in action. So let's say I want to store some photo. I'm gonna go to Photos app, select the photo or video, and then you need to press and hold on it again. This pop-up will appear, and then you can drop it. And now it stays right here. And you can open the hub, and if you want to, you can, for example, open WhatsApp and drop that video right there. I just want to move it to a folder. I want to copy this file to some folder. So I'm gonna open the file manager, open some folder on my phone. Let's say, I don't know, I'm gonna drop it in movies. And now I can open the hub. If it's minimized, just open it, grab the file and drop it, and the file will be copied. You can do the same with the text. So let's say I'm gonna open the Notepad. Let me hide the thing for now. Here I have a text. I'm gonna select it, then grab it by pressing and holding on it. The pop-up will appear right here in the corner. It's barely visible, but we can drop it right here, and the text will be dropped into a hub. And now if you open the hub, we have text and the video file. But by default, if the Smart Hub is empty, you won't see anything here besides the text. Mine is not empty because I used it before, but yeah. Anyway, let's move on. So I have a text in the hub. I can copy it to some application. For example, we can open the Chrome and drop it right here, like this. So it's quite useful when you want to move or copy text, copy files and stuff like that. And like I said before, if you want to clear the hub, you can simply grab it. Come on. Sometimes it's a bit wonky, but we can grab it right here and drop it on the bin icon, then tap on clear. And that's about it. Basically, that's how you use the Smart Hub on the Infinix phone. It makes the transfer of the files, text, and images a bit faster between the apps, of course. And it's a game changer when it comes to productivity. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. And see you in the next one.